Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix Fresha app not working. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fresha application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, we have 5 tabs. We have the calendar, we have the sales tab, the plus button where you can go and add an appointment, group appointment, block time, sale, and quick payment. We have, of course, the client list, and in the bottom right corner, we have your workspace. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Fresha app not working. So there are a couple of things that you can, of course, go and do. The first and obvious thing that you can do is go and restart the application. So you can go out of the application totally and go in again. You can also try to go and log out of your profile and log in back again. That might be the solution. You can, of course, go and turn off your internet on your phone and then turn it on again. Or you can go and restart your router in your home, if you're, of course, using Wi-Fi. You can also do the traditional thing that you can go and restart your whole phone. This also might do the trick. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.